Hi, Helen from Modcon Campers here. Just because you're going camping doesn't mean that you can't have your wedges. So everyone loves potato wedges and everyone loves loaded potato wedges. So here's how to do them while you're camping. So you take your foil, take a long length of foil and fold the foil in half so that it's doubled over. So now that we've got that, what we're going to do is spray that with a little bit of spray oil. And now to cut up your potatoes. So just lengthwise, just cut some wedges. Don't make them too fat because otherwise they'll take too long to cook. I'm going to get a piece of bacon out. I'm going to dice my bacon just roughly, nothing too exciting prep wise here. So I'm just going to slice my shallot. Probably only need half a shallot per person. Okay, and then some salt and pepper just to season. Okay, now I've just got a bit of minced garlic here, and just because I like a little bit of the flavour of garlic, I'm just going to dollop a couple of bits in there. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit more spray oil over the top. Okay, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese. You don't need an awful lot, but just a little covering is nice. Okay. So taking the two ends, just fold them over and fold them over again so that they're nice and sealed. And then do the same with the ends so that it seals up nicely. Now when these start to cook, they're actually going to puff up a bit like a pillow. So now I'm just going to place my simmer plate in there and my fry pan on the top there. I'm just going to turn it down to low and placing it with the unfolded side down first. So I'm just going to leave that there for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the package has puffed up quite nicely. I'm just going to poke the bag. Now the potatoes I can feel are nice and cooked. So what I'm just going to do is turn up the cooker to full, and I'm going to give it about another 5 minutes, and we should see the bottom part all nice and crispy. So I'm just going to pull this off. Smelling fantastic, can I say. I wish that we had smell-o-vision because you'd all be salivating. Look at that. Now those are perfectly cooked. Yum.